Well guys, here you have this beautiful video from Miami Beach. This time we were able to capture this beautiful Riva Folgore 88. This is part 1 of 2 videos coming. And also I want to let you know that more drone videos are going to be posted in the page daily. So come back every day and look for the new video that it's uploaded. Also, please leave us a comment below and always a thumbs up if you think that the video was nice. So again, thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. Take care.